Welcome back to Vlogmas, guys. So what am I doing today? I am teaching you guys how to make an easy appetizer for any Christmas party. Today we are going to be making pulled pork sliders. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to pull apart your Hawaiian rolls and you want to split them open. You are then going to preheat your stove to 300 degrees and we are going to heat it and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. While your rolls are cooking, we're going to go ahead and cook our pork. You want to make sure that you puncture the little holes in there. You are then going to warm that up for 1.5 minutes. After that, you want to peel off the plastic and cook it in the microwave for another minute. After that, we are going to go ahead and put our pineapples onto our Hawaiian rolls. The very next thing that we are going to do is put our pulled pork on top of our pineapples. Once you have your pulled pork on top of your pineapples, you're just going to go ahead and cover your Hawaiian rolls back up. And these will be all set to eat.